Hello to Kinshasa, Brazzaville. I'm there, George, to tell you about your news emission always on your channel that you like so much. So I just recommend you to go and subscribe massively on our channel for to be always on top. Let me tell you that you try me nextly always to this channel. Go and subscribers to our channel.
Yo maman utimboka yo maman yo mibale oye kina zemi to ozwi zemi ta tentative wana ezaki même pas une semaine mo mbala ko résister te akoyi na mtambo.
I hurry focus, hurry to all our viewers, the viewers of the Crossroad of Stars. I'm very happy to come here today, and I just tell you and I just ask you to go to subscribers massively always on this channel. Because she's the best one, she's the best channel that you watch, the best channel will bring you every time a good information, good mission. So today we have a good subject. The subject of today is just the children's rights. So we are just learning together with you how that children must to be. Every children have rights to go to school. Every children have rights to eat properly, to have to a basic education. Today, this is what is very bad. Very bad today is if you go anywhere on the street, you got found children of the streets. It's not good today to have to be on this situation. We are here just to ask your parents, to ask you mother and father to take care of your child. Child is the children are almost a benediction that God give everyone on the earth. You have to give him all that he wants, because it's your right. It's your right. It's not for nothing that you have children at yours. If you seek it for them, you must to take care of them. And I just ask you to, Father, to show your child the way of God. There are church everywhere. Show him the church, show him God, because God is all for us. In God we have everything, we have all that we need. Don't stay like this, seeing your child or try to be maybe a scammer. It's not a good direction. Avoid always your child. Avoid always your children. Even you don't have money, even you don't have position, but protect them, because they are a benediction for you and all your family today and on the future. Me always in front of you. If I insist about the subject, it's just me too. I'm a child. So I have too a child. I know the way that I take care of him, and he's the best. Even I don't have money, I don't have a job now, but I try to make him very happy. I want you to be like me. You have maybe many money like me, or many money even more than me. Take care of your child. Show him God. Bring him always on the church. It will be benefit for you and your family, even your future. Give him on the school. It's to a good way, because it can become tomorrow a minister of a republic president. See, you will be very happy. You will be very happy, and you shall be always on the top, because your child is became a president or a minister.
Non papa, awa na premier mall, on matin na deuxième niveau, on commande la salle de jeu win game, poto sakana, biso baso.
Hey, buina izalaka, salle de jeu win game, izali pula mutu nyonso, uzala mwana muketo pe mukuru, na salle de jeu win game, tuzali na banjarukula, machine ok, pour les adultes et pour les enfants, machine jeu de guerre, jeu moto, jeu voiture, jeu basket, jeu bowling, jeu voiture double volant, jeu voiture empreinte, jeu voiture enfant, jeu vélo enfant, jeu crasi crocodile et popcorn. Papa, maman, et tangali tuzakata kusakana bana biso. C'est déjà win game, et sika kobumate, aveni kone lukusa Kingombe. Au premier monde, c'est déjà win game, au deuxième niveau. Ah, les enfants, vous êtes joués?
Oui papa, tu as que jouer.
La maman pas ça que jouer.
Oui papa, naza ko jouer.
Papa, ça que jouer.
Oui papa, naza ko jouer. Et sombe, oza ko jouer.
Oui patron, ça que jouer. Tout le monde vous a que jouer.
Oui papa, toza ko jouer.
Na win game, tout le monde tout a que jouer.
Like you can notice that we try to become almost in the end of this new issue. I know that you have understood me. All that I come to say is very important. It's ours. It's very important for your children. It's very important for your family. So make it in consideration and make it in action. It will be a benefit for you. It will be a benefit for your children. It will be a benefit for all your family. So if I'm there today, let me say thank you to my boss Mimi. She does all for me, and if I'm there, if I'm in front of you, it's just she wanted that I'll be there. So let me tell you that all our viewers, go and subscribe massively, always in your channel that you love so much, or your channel that bring you very important information, very important mission. I'm very happy, and I'll let you on production of God. See you next time, always on this channel. Bye.